Today we are going to discuss exercise 6.3. So in that some property and some are there we are going to discuss. So first one is the result is there, angle sum property of a triangle. So what is that? Just see the statement here. The total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So you can see here I have drawn a triangle ABC. So what does the result says? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180. Either in other way we can say angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Now how this result is coming? Just see the proof given here. Angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180. Why? You can see here in the diagram. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is 180. Reason? It is a linear pair. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is 180 linear pair. So linear pair means on this line. So it comes angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus 2. Angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus 2. Already we have seen last time exterior angle property. So angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus 2. So in behalf of 4, now I am going to put the value of 1 plus 2. So it becomes angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. And this is our angle sum property. Sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. All three angles means interior, all the inside three angles. Right here. So here you can see angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. I am repeating once again. What is the property name? Angle sum property of a triangle. Now the total measure of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This property is called angle sum property of a triangle. You can see here now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180, and I have just explained how this is coming. Now in this exercise I am going to discuss with you exercise 6.3, question number 1, part 2nd, 5th and 6th, question number 2, part 3, 5th and 6th. So just see now here what is the question number 1. Find the value of x in the following diagrams. So you have to find the value of the x. Now it is given PQR, it's a triangle given to you. Now we have to find the value of x. So let us proceed now. So how to find? By angle sum property of triangle. Or what you will get? You will get this is actually 90 degree because this symbol is of 90. So it becomes, what it becomes here you can see easily. I will write in the vertex form first. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Or you can then, what is the value of angle P? 90 degree. Plus angle Q is how much? 30 degree. Plus angle R is how much? X equal to 180 degree. Now add this, so it becomes 120 plus X equal to 180. Therefore now X is equal to how much? 180 minus 120, and it becomes 60 degree. So X is equal to 60 degree is the answer. Right here you can see easily by angle sum property of a triangle, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180. So angle P value is how much? 90. Angle R is how much? Angle Q is how much? 30. I kept the value. Angle R is unknown to us. It is X. So it becomes how much? 90 plus 30, 120. 120 plus X. And it becomes how much? Then I am transferring 120 on the other side. How we are solving the equation? And I got the value here. X equal to. So the answer is here now. X equal to 60 degrees is the answer. Now, same property I am going to use here. So, what we will write here? By angle sum property of triangle here vertex is not given, name is not given, so I am directly writing here x plus x plus x equal to 180. x plus x how much? 3x equal to 180. Right here. Now x equal to 180 divided by 3. It comes here how much? 60 degree. Therefore x is equal to 60 degree is the answer. You can see x I got how much? 60 degree. Here I use angle sum property of a triangle. Here also I use angle sum property of a triangle. Okay here. Now part 6. Again using same property. So solution I wrote here by angle sum property of triangle. What we get the result? This angle is actually 90 degree. So we get here how much? X plus 90 plus 2x equal to 180 degree. Now x plus 2x is how much? 3x. So 3x plus 90 equal to 180. Now therefore now I am going to transfer this 90 on the other side. So it becomes 180 minus 90, and here it will be 3x, and it becomes how much here? 90. So 3x equal to 90. Therefore x equal to 90 by 3, and the answer is 30 degree. Therefore x equal to 30 degree is the answer. Let me repeat once again. By angle sum property of a triangle, I got this result: x plus 90 degree plus 2x equal to 180, and x plus 2x becomes how much? 3x. 3x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. Now 3x, now I am transferring this on the transposing this on other side. So it becomes 180 minus 90, and 180 minus 90 is 90. So 3x equal to 90, x equal to how much? 30 degree. We have to find the value of the x. Right here. Now question number 2. Find the value of x and y in the following diagrams. Here also they are not given the name of the vertex, so we can proceed directly. So just see now by exterior angle property. So I will write here by exterior angle property. What I will get the value? Angle x equal to 50 plus 60 degree. You can see this is exterior angle is equal to 50 plus 60 right here. So now we get the value here. 50 plus 60 is how much here? 50 plus 60 comes 110 degree. So angle x equal to 110 degree is the answer. Right now we have to find the value of y also. Now we can proceed both the ways. Either we can use property of angle x plus angle y is 180. So I am going that way, linear pair property. So angle x plus angle y equal to 180 degree. Right? Or you can use the property of angle sum property. We can use here also angle y plus 50 plus 60 is equal to 180. Whichever way you want to proceed. So angle x plus angle y equal to 180. Angle x is known to us, so keep the value 110 plus angle y equal to 180. Therefore angle y equal to 180 minus 110 degree. Therefore the 180 minus 110, the answer is 70 degree is the answer. Therefore angle y equal to 70 degree. What is the value of angle y? Angle y equal to 70, angle x equal to 110. You can see sum of these two is how much? 180. It means our answer is right. Come on the next part 5. Now same way, now I am going to use the property by now, but here angle, this angle is 90, this angle is vertically opposite, so it becomes how much? 90. So we will write here angle y equal to 90. Write the reason: vertically opposite angle. Right? Vertically, because these are vertically opposite, you can see. Now this is 90. So now we are going to use property here by angle sum property of triangle, what we get the result? Angle y plus angle x plus angle x equal to 180. Keep the value which is known to us. So I am knowing 90. So 90 plus now it becomes 2x. So equal to 180. Now I have to find the value of x. So I am transferring this on the other side. 2x equal to 180 minus 90. So it becomes 2x equal to 90. Therefore x equal to 90 by 2. The answer is 45 degree. What is the answer? X equal to, you can write here, x equal to 45 degrees. I got the answer, x equal to 45 degree. You can see easily. Now here I use two results. One is vertically opposite angle, one is angle sum property. You can see easily. Now sixth part, you can see it is a similar type only, but only x and y is used. So angle x equal to angle y. First I am going to say here y vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Now in this triangle you can see this is also vertically, this all becomes so. Angle by angle sum property, by angle sum property of triangle, what we get? Angle x plus angle x plus angle x equal to 180 degree. Actually here instead of x it is given y, but I kept the value directly, you can see easily. So it becomes 3 times angle x equal to 180 degree. So it becomes how much? You can see now angle x equal to 180 by 3, therefore angle x equal to 60 degree. So it is a solution. So angle x, how much I got? 60, and we know angle x equal to angle y. So therefore angle y equal to 60. Right? We got the value of angle x and angle y both. Now let us see again from the part 6. Let me revise in short with you. You can see here in this diagram, by angle sum property, what we got the result? X plus 90 plus 2x equal to 180. So x plus 2x is how much? 3x. 3x plus 90 is equal to 180. So 3x is equal to 180 minus 90. So 3x is equal to 90 degree. Now x is equal to 90 by 3. I got the answer how much here? 30 degree. Right here x is equal to 30. Here I am using exterior angle property. I am using property of exterior angle. So angle x is equal to 50 plus 60. I got the answer how much? 110 degree. And angle x plus angle y is 180 degree. So I got the answer 110 plus angle y equal to 180. So I got the answer how much? Y equal to 70 degree. Now here in the part 5th, again same similar like this only. I got the y equal to angle 90 degree, and by angle sum property of triangle, angle y plus angle x equal to 180. I kept the value of y here 90, and I got x equal to 45 degree. Here same way, and I got the answer x equal to 60 degree. And this exercise completes over here. I complete my discussion over this topic over here. Thank you.